Good morning, everybody. Rise and shine. Happy Wednesday. We made it through half the week. Can you even believe it? This week's going by really quickly. I decided to start the day a little later than I normally do. Right now it's 10:30, which is kind of late to start a fueling. I used to do 10 a.m., then I started doing 9 a.m. Because I like to finish early. But I might have to squeeze the fuelings together because, like I always say, I like to end my day by 7. I just seem to sleep better when the stomach isn't loaded, and I don't know, I sleep better when I stop eating earlier. Don't know what that's about. But regardless, today is a new shake. Well, not new, but one that I haven't had in a while. It's the Mocha Blast. I believe this is my last pouch, so I have to... Oh, it's so good. I have to do it sparingly. So I'm going to sip this nice and slow, and I'm going to savor every drop because it's so good. And I just mixed it with water and ice. I didn't do the coffee thing, but I did have coffee earlier. So on the board, I did put creamer as a condiment. Hey, all right, so taking a break from work right now and having some mac and cheese. Just the plain cheddar mac and cheese. I love it. I'm going to enjoy it. It's 75 here already, so it's definitely a warmer day than we're having, but for some reason, I'm just craving mac and cheese. So I'm going to satisfy the craving with that fueling. As fueling number 2, and then I'm going to walk the dogs, finish my work, and then we'll head out to the store. So see you in a little bit, guys. So I found this tiny little puppy wandering the streets, and I'm bringing it to the vet now to get chipped. Yes, did I save you? I think you saved me because I was having a rough day. So if you know who this puppy belongs to, please message me. Sweet little baby. Yes, we're going to go get you scanned to see if you have a chip. Okay. Bye, everybody. How cute is she? She's so teeny tiny.
She's a, you know what kind of dog she
Take
is?
your drink. I brought you a drink. Yes, I did. Oh, my sweet angel. Who's your mommy and daddy? We're going to find your family, I promise. Oh, my gosh.
You know what kind of dog she is,
She's
right?
so cute. Is she like a Chihuahua or a Pomeranian? Hi. Where'd you get? Oh, she's so cute and quick. Come on, little... Oh, are you resting? Aren't you the sweetest little baby? Look at her. Hello, Angel. We're going to find your mommy and daddy, I promise. So we just arrived at the vet. Brittany's got this little baby sound asleep on her arm. Somebody did message me and claims this is their puppy, and the puppy's name is Peekaboo. And when I say it, Peekaboo, it's not really responding. And I don't know if it's because the puppy's sleeping or because it doesn't know its name yet, but it's a very, very young puppy. As you can see, there's still that puppy fur. But how freaking adorable is that? Peekaboo! I got a little eye wince, but that's it. So we're at the vet, like I said, waiting for them to come out and chip this baby or scan to see if there's a chip, and I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, update. We found the family. Hooray! So the dog's name was Peekaboo, apparently, and he or she, 11 weeks old. She has 2 little girls that love and adore her, and so I am so happy that we were able to find her family. Actually, I wound up posting a picture of myself and the puppy, and I put it into my town's or my county's lost dog group, as well as my town's mom and dad group, and that's how the owner was found. So we are good, and little Peekaboo is home with her family. So after that, I ran over to ShopRite, get a couple things to make for dinner. And what I didn't do was film. I had a bag of barbecue crunchers on the way, just because the puppy was in the car and there was so much going on. I literally forgot to film it, so I apologize. So I did have a bag of crunchers. So in about 10 minutes from now, it's lean and green time. And I'm just like, I haven't stopped and I haven't really prepared, but I do have some thawed out lean ground turkey. So I'm going to be probably, I think I might make some like zucchini boats. I don't know what I'm gonna make. Maybe some hearts of palm. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make some pasta out of the hearts of palm with the ground turkey, and we'll see what else. Yeah, who knows? It's gonna get thrown together, but yeah, my day has been really, really rewarding. All right, guys, making my dinner. I'm going to show you the lean and green, but I wanted to show you this. I only have this once in a blue moon because it is so addicting to me that I only go to the store and buy one can. Zevia, grape flavored. Oh my gosh, when you're craving soda and you don't want to do the Splenda and all that aspartame, look for this in your supermarket if you've never found it before. It is grape flavored soda, but it's sweetened with stevia, the same sweetener that Optavia uses in their foods. So you can't go wrong. So I'm having one. And I'm cooking dinner. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I got the ground turkey. This is 99% lean, all cooked up in my skillet. And this is how the hearts of palm come. You take it out of the box and it literally comes in this vacuum sealed bag. This entire pouch, when you press the water out of it, guys, this whole thing is your 3 leans. So this is a substitution for pasta. It's the only ingredient in here is hearts of palm. So what I do is I have a skillet. I put a little bit of cooking spray in here. This is coconut oil. I'm going to drain this out my colander and I'm going to get this cooking in the skillet. So let's get that done. I put my little colander here in my sink because I cut the bag open and I like to drain these out a little bit first. So I'm going to turn the water on and rinse it off. This is what I do, guys. This is what I do because we don't eat pasta on Optavia. But doesn't it look like pasta? I mean, it really does if you look at it closely. All right, so I'm going to drain this out. I'm going to press it with a paper towel just to get the excess water out, and then we'll head over back to the frying pan. So I have my pan heated up, and I'm going to add these in. There you go, and we're going to stir them up and get them nice and caramelized. Do you hear the sizzle? Oh yeah, baby, they are sizzling. And in order to get my healthy fat in, I have to add a fat, and this is what I'm choosing today. Trader Joe's Spanish manzanilla olives, and 10 of them equal a healthy fat. So I have 10 olives, in there we go. All right, and we're gonna cook this up. And we'll be back. In the skillet just went 7 ounces of the lean ground turkey. And now I'm going to add my remaining 2 condiments for the day, which are going to be 2 wedges of this Laughing Cow to make kind of like that Alfredo sauce. I got some on my thumb already. So let's get the cheese in there and we will mix this up and have a wonderful dinner. Laughing Cow is in the swimming pool with all of the kids. And we're going to just literally, I mean, this is pretty much all cooked already. We just want the cheese to melt. So I'm going to continue to stir this around and we will plate it up and I'll show you the final result in just a little bit. Whew, it's time to eat. It's all done. And I want to just say one thing. This is the perfect meal on those hungry days. You know, like when I say to have the 14 egg whites and the cauliflower rice and all of that. You've seen that video probably 1,000 times in my library here. Like hungry day food. This is a hungry day food because when you see the amount of food in my plate, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. That's a dinner plate and that is my dinner, right? That's a lot of food. So let's take a bite. So we've got the hearts of palm, the ground turkey, the olive, and the Laughing Cow. It's totally a Mediterranean style dish. Let's test it out. So good. I have made this in a video before. Hold on. But I don't remember if I showed myself cooking it, so that's why I wanted to show you. But the flavor of this is out of this world. And with my Zevia, I'm a happy girl. So Happy lean and green. I'll see you at the next fueling. Well, I could not disappoint by having chocolate pudding today because you guys are so funny on your comments. When I said yesterday to pause the tape, tell how old I am, pause the video and tell me if you think I'm gonna have chocolate pudding or a shake. And most of you said chocolate pudding because you know me so well. My favorite fueling. Having it tonight for number 5. Let's have a bite. And I am so stocked up on this. I'm sorry. I feel like I drained the company with 5 boxes of it. If you didn't get any this time around, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad about it, truthfully. But I'm eating it. And get a load of this. This was in my fridge. And don't think I didn't look at it. And I was like, you know, I technically could have a little bit. But no, because that stuff is a demon. I could put 2 little spoons of it on here and then I'm looking at it. I get the taste in my mouth, that sweet taste. And it has the aspartame in it. And I swear that stuff draws that hunger out of you. So I'm just fine having it by itself. Because I know that's a trigger for me. So I am stopping. I'm thinking about it. And I'm choosing not to have it. That was something that MetaFast used a long time ago, was stop, think, and choose. When something, like when you're out or even home and you want to have something off plan, like you're just having that moment of weakness, you have to stop for a minute, okay? Stop. And think about, do I really want this? Is it like instant gratification? Is it gonna make me feel good in the minute I eat it? But then like later on, it's gonna spiral me out of control, or I'm just gonna go off plan. So you stop, you think, and then you make that decision. And you have to live with that decision. So on the days that I went overboard on that whipped cream and I wasn't losing weight, that was because of the decision I made. I choose not to have it. That's it. I'm not saying I never ever will, but for now, because I am slowly going down on that scale, thank you, Jesus, I'm not having it. There will be time enough to have it, but not now. So, chocolate pudding, fueling number 5. See you at the next one. Hey guys, okay, sorry about the TV in the background. I got a full house here watching some kind of movie here. But I'm gonna end the day off with red berry crunchy O's. These are just like the cinnamon Cheerios that we have on plan, but these are the red berry ones. And I feel like they remind me of that cereal from back in the day. It was called Frankenberry. I don't know if you are old enough to remember that. I think they actually still have it. But again, it's the red crunchy O's. I love this. Haven't had it in quite a while, so I'm gonna sit in front of the TV and pop a few of these in my mouth and end the day with that. So I hope you all enjoyed my day. I, again, am so great. Hold on, guys. Oh, so as I was saying before the dog so rudely interrupted us, I am looking forward to having these, and I am so grateful that the day ended on such a happy note with little Peekaboo finding her family. So, what a great day, guys. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I have a couple of things to do I'm going to be bringing you with. We are going to be going to Barnes & Noble. I am going to be starting to do a bullet journal. And I want to talk about that tomorrow, and we'll go get one and we'll start the process. If you know what a bullet journal is, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comment section. If you don't know what a bullet journal is, wait until you see what this is. It's going to be fun. All right? So have a wonderful night, guys. Stay focused. Stay with me, because you know we can do this together. Have a great night, guys.